Celebrity Blue Chip Club has dropped their July certificate offers out, and we have them for you converted to spreadsheets. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm James with Sea Days and Sunsets, and my wife Kimberly and I bring you the best of cruising, travel, and a whole lot of gambling along the way. But today we're here to talk about the July offers that Celebrity has released for whenever you earn a certificate while you're on a cruise by gambling and earning points. So let's jump right in. When you go to the link in the description of the video, you're able to download the spreadsheet here or pull it up in your browser. And this spreadsheet is the same thing as if you had gone to the casino host desk and scanned the QR code and pulled up the casino offers that they have. So this same spreadsheet that we've got here, or I'm sorry, the same PDF that we have here is what you would pull up, and you could go in, and if you had earned already 1,200 points on a cruise, you'd be able to pull up the list of all the cruises that are available to you that you could get as free. And I always use free as a relative term, but free plus port fees and taxes in here that you could go out. But what we've got is it converted to a spreadsheet for you. But the one thing I do want to point out this month is a little bit different is Celebrity had a couple mistakes in their PDFs and I had to clean them up manually. So I always say use this for entertainment and for knowledge information only. But in this case, please verify anything if you're targeting a cruise. I think I got everything correct, but I just want to make sure that you're doing everything you can. I don't want to have you blame me for anything that was out there. So please check and verify. But front page here is our key page that gets you back to the YouTube channel that you're hopefully coming from here and gives you a little extra information. But the offers tab is the important one here. And the very important thing always to go with here, when you pull this up, you're going to see it's in view only mode. And what that really means is that I'm sharing this with everybody. So the view only mode means we can't all be changing the same spreadsheet at the same time. So you've got a couple options for what you can do. You can immediately go out under File and you can download an Excel copy. Something that one of the keen viewers pointed out last month for me that I did know because it's the only way I can get this to work on mobile. You can also make a copy and copy this to your Google Drive if that's what you're using. Or the way we're going to work with it today is to go under Data and create Filter View. Creating a filter view here for us allows us to get a personal filter view where we can sort and filter this spreadsheet on our own, and then we're able to work with it. Now, if you are to refresh the page or you come back later, you will have lost that. So if it's really important that you hold it, if you want to see any changes you've made, then you'll probably want to make your own copy or download a copy. But I'll give you some examples here and we'll walk through some of the great offers that are out for the month right now. Some of the ones that I've pointed out, some of the ones that I like and maybe targeting for myself if I get the opportunity. Kimberly and I are what we always consider ourselves as low rollers. So we're generally looking at 2,000 points or less. If you're looking at 15,000, 25,000 points out there, you're getting tons of offers anyway. But I do want to point out after my reflection cruise just a little over a month ago, my offers are just coming in multiple offers a week right now. And it's been really exciting because it was something I was not expecting. But we'll jump right in. And the first thing we always do, since it's Kimberly and I cruising, I always change this. And we've got the one guest offers out there, which allow you to cruise and then have a paying guest with you at a discounted rate. But Kimberly and I are always trying to get both of us cruising. So we do change this so that we're only going to see 2 guest offers out here. And then some of the ones that I want to point out and demo to how to sort and filter on the sheet here at the same time is within the 2 guest offers, your very lowest one you can see here where there is an 800 point option. There's one cruise out here for 800 points. And if in September you were looking for an Alaska cruise, you could go up and hop on the Summit for a 7-day Alaska cruise for 800 points. 800 points hopefully is very easy to earn in the casino. Even with some bad luck, that should be one that is very manageable. But then the other ones that I do want to call out here is, I'll go ahead and add in the ones all the way up like I was talking about through the 2000. But in doing so, always the favorite, the ones that we're excited to get on that we have not been on yet, but we're targeting, and we have already booked some offers that we've gotten. And one of them was the instant offer when I got off the Reflection last month. We're going to do some Edge class ships. And you can see immediately here, they have cruises on the Apex, the Excel, and a whole lot of Beyond cruises out there for you. Some just great ones that are at some pretty low numbers at times. If you're wanting to book later into or early into next year, but a little bit later out in the future right now, they've got some Beyond cruises for 1,200 points. So we were just talking about 800 to be on a Millennium class ship in Alaska. But if you want to cruise out of Florida, you can get it for 1,200 points beginning next year. And so we are definitely looking at several of those with the offers and hoping to get a few more instant certificates by cruising here later on in the year. We are targeting a lot for 2027 for Celebrity, as right now we have a lot of Royal Caribbeans filling up our calendar for the remainder of 2026. So I wanted to throw this out there for you and show just how many Edge class ships are out there. And these are 7-day cruises for 2 guests. You can see the free play begins on all of them. The lowest free play is at the 1,500 point level for getting $100 in free play. So I just wanted to throw that out. The 1,200 points does not come with any free play, but hey, that's a cruise for 2 for port fees and taxes on a 7-day Edge class ship. So those are some of the ones I really want to make sure to highlight for you this month, and the ones that jumped off the page for me right away. Just to hit on the summary tabs that are also down here, you get a little bit of an idea that the starting as low as 600 points, you can get the 1 guest offers we were just talking about. But the 2 guest offers, that first one, you remember we only had 1 there on the Summit for an Alaska. But they start to bounce up for the 2 guest offers when we get into that 1,200 point range. And then, of course, only get better and better as you go higher up the chain for all the points that are required. So I just wanted to toss that in there for you for this. And then the summary by class that we have out here also. You can see if you're looking for that Edge class, it is the first. We have 4 potential Edge class ships. Beginning at the 1,200 point level, and then they go higher and higher from there. And the 2 guest offers. The 1 guest offers start out pretty strong right away with the Edge class. A lot more offers for you at 54, but they do not start, and even in the 1 guest offers, until we get to that 1,200 point level there and everything. So these are the offers for this month that you can take a look at. And please let me know in the comments if you're targeting any one of these. Also, please let me know. This is just, I think this is a 3rd month we're doing the Celebrity offers. We always do the Royal Caribbean offers, but it's a 3rd month that we're doing the Celebrity offers. So please let me know if there's something missing that's out here, if there's a highlight that you'd like me to jump into or anything. But otherwise, I wish you great luck in the casino, and I hope you're enjoying your summer. Bye.